The Misty is docked at Galilee at Dock PP. 1 State Street, Narragansett, Rhode Island. Here's the Misty, everybody sitting down eating.
Am I the only one catching fish or what?
So there's a nice heater for the spring and fall fishing. Very comfortable. Misty's cockpit is 12 feet by 14 feet. The gunnels are 36 inches high. Very comfortable. No fear of falling overboard. Here's the Misty's bridge. 2 fish finders, 2 GPSs, 2 radars, 4 radios, all the safety equipment you can imagine. A lot of nice blacks, up to 10, 12 pounds, I guess. And look at that fish, really nice. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. And we got another one coming in here. Another one right there. That's a keeper too. As big as this last one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nothing wrong with that.
We're going to fish here.
Okay, go ahead. There you go. There you go.
Nice.
Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Holy Jesus Christ. Pull him up, Augie. Let's go. Nice. Nice fish. Very good. Very good. Okay, very good. There's a 10-pound, 12-pounder right there. Catching a lot of big blacks. Hope you had them.
1 second.
That's it. That's it. Monster fish.
Bad boats, let's not go very far.
Lift them up. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Nice sea bass. Yeah, big one. Here we are, black sea bass fishing, catching 4 and 5 at a time on the Misty. Big black sea bass. Another one coming over the side over there. Catching some nice big scup here. Sea bass. Guy got another one on here. Got a few blackfish, sea bass, and a sea bass. Nice sea bass. All right, Georgie, that's good.
Okay.
Couple of double-header porgies and sea bass. They're too small, I think, aren't they? They got to go back. Okay, throw him back. 2 fish on right there. See what we got here. What does he got? Double header? Double header, double header. Porgy and a sea bass. Look at that. Another one over here is Georgie with a nice big porgy on, or a sea bass. Everybody's tired. They're all sitting down. Caught so many fish. What do you got, Georgie? Look at this. Look at the sea bass. Hold that up, George. Look at that sea bass. Gorgeous.